Welcome to Spilling the Tea with Michael. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we are going to be doing is rescuing your accountant. Something I hate so much as an accountant is getting given a shoebox full of receipts and invoices that a client has just accumulated over probably what's more than a couple of years. And they say, here, figure it out. This is everything to do with my rental property. Have fun. So today I'm going to share with you a spreadsheet that you can use to keep track of all of your income and expenses related to your rental property so that your accountant will love you when it comes to tax time. Hey guys, my name is Michael and I'm an accountant from Australia, and on this channel we talk about money and finances so that we can all live more fulfilled lives together. As I mentioned in that introduction, I'm going to be giving you this spreadsheet, so make sure you stay tuned to the end because I will be sharing the link with you then, or you can jump ahead now and check out the link in the description. If you actually go to the ATO website, you can see the income and expense items that the ATO will let you deduct for your rental properties. So let's just quickly run through the spreadsheet and see how it works. So to start off, you can simply just enter the address of your rental property. So if you have multiple rental properties, this will just help you in that scenario. So you can enter it in just like that, just by typing in these cells. Keep in mind, I've also made it so that any of the white cells are cells that you need to type in. All of the others pre-fill automatically. Now we can just go through month by month and enter in any income or expenses that we've received throughout the year. So let's just say for July, we've received our rent. And we also have to pay agent's commission on that rent. So that's about 8% of what that's gonna be. We didn't have any repairs and maintenance this month. We didn't pay anything else. There will be some interest that you can calculate. It will be shown on your mortgage statement. We also happen to pay our quarterly council rates this month. So you can just enter that into the spreadsheet there, and you'll see at the bottom, it shows the total of what that monthly cash flow is. Another thing to note with this spreadsheet is I haven't included depreciation or capital write-off. They can usually be found in your quantity surveyor's report, and if you just send that to your accountant, they will fill it in when they do your taxes at the end of the year. Pro tip, get a quantity surveyor's report for your investment properties because you get massive deductions for depreciation on these properties. That's usually where the value is in an investment property here in Australia because we have negative gearing. You can simply just pay a couple $100 to get a professional to come and appraise your property. They'll look at how it was built, when it was built, and the materials used, etc. And they'll send you this report of depreciation amounts you can claim every single year. And I know that lots of these companies will try to make sure that your deduction in the first year is worth at least double of what you actually pay them. So it's definitely worth getting a QS report. Back to our spreadsheet, you can just simply go in and fill in every single month as it happens. I'd actually advise that every time you pay an invoice, you come in here and quickly update it so you don't forget. I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-fill the document with approximately what it might look like at the end of the year. So let's do that now. Okay, we've gone ahead and just pre-filled some random data on what your rental property might look like. Something that your accountant really needs to look at is the repairs and maintenance. We need to check that repairs and maintenance are legit repairs or maintenance. It actually relates to something that is just being simply fixed and not a substantial renovation or improvement of any sort. So that's why I've included this notes tab over on the right here. You can type in there just saying, hey, this repairs and maintenance is just to do with getting the dishwasher fixed, not buying a new dishwasher, for example. So just type in the notes section over on the right here, say, getting a dishwasher fixed, and then maybe you even want to type in invoice number 40 from whoever the contractor was, dishwasher man. So you just have a little set of notes there that you accumulate throughout the year so that when it comes to tax time, you can send this to your accountant and you have all the explanations that they need to get the job done. If you make your accountant's job easier, they will love you and probably charge you less for your job. If you hand them a shoebox full of invoices and receipts, they have to spend hours and hours going through all of the invoices, scanning them in, seeing what's relevant, what's not, if it's right, if it's accurate, and all of that adds up. If you think you're paying your accountant too much, it's probably because they're doing a lot of work for you. So if you want to pay less for your accountant, make them do less work. Make it easy for them, lay it out all on the table in a nice looking spreadsheet like this one. Another feature that I've made in this spreadsheet is that each tab is one financial year. So you can go in here and duplicate the tab when it comes to the end of financial year, and then you have all of your historical data for your rental property. So I'll show you how to do that now. If you just come down the bottom here, you can right click and hit duplicate. Then I can just rename this 2021 22. And boom, we have a fresh template for your rental property next financial year. And again, when it comes to tax time, you can just send your accountant a copy of the spreadsheet. They're gonna love you and thank you for it. So if you would love a copy of this spreadsheet, I'm gonna have a little link in the description to a Google Sheet. You can just simply make a copy and save it to your Google Drive, and it's yours forever. It's my little gift to you. If you found this video useful, I have another video that I've linked to up here, which is how to avoid capital gains tax when you sell your investment property. So that might be relevant for you. Additionally, please also consider subscribing. I upload videos like this every single week to help Australians master their personal finances. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.